Okay, so this is what my hair looks like, and I'm going to plait my hair all back. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I would like to show you how I'm able to create this amazing style. Like, you're going to see it somewhere around here. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I would like to show you how I'm able to achieve this. So in my previous video I showed you guys how I was able to make this afro style, which I'm going to be using to conclude today's hairstyle with a braided extension too for my hairstyle. So let's just go straight into the video. So first of all, I'll be looking at my mirror over here, so please pardon me because I'll be looking at my like this. Just kind of divide my hair into two. Divide my hair into two. Hold on. So I just divide my hair down into two parts, and I'm just going to quickly pack it up like the back. I'm just going to pack the back up, and I'm being left this. Okay, so you could use a gel to do it, or I'm just definitely going to flat twist it. So just An extension, a normal extension. I'm going to be braiding it. They've already given me braided, but I'm still going to braid it again. So I'm going to change the braid, something simple. On my afro. Remember when I made this afro the last time? I made it on my channel. I used Brazilian with mix afro. So this time around, it's coming from Handy, like Handy X1.